Hi everyone, today I'm gonna make a double cooked fish. 大家好，今天我们做回锅鱼。Double cooked pork is a very classic Sichuan dish. Today we're gonna use fish instead of pork. 回锅肉是一道经典的川菜，今天我们用鱼代替猪肉。First, we're going to slice the fish. 首先我们切鱼片。I have 2 basa fish fillets. You can use other fish fillets of your liking. 我有2片龙利鱼片，你也可以用其他的鱼片。First, we're going to slice the fish. 我们现在来切鱼片。We're going to cut in an angle. 我们要切角度。And not too thin, like this. 不要太薄。Yeah, next we're going to marinate the fish fillet. 下面我们要腌制鱼片。To marinate the fish, we add salt, white pepper powder, ginger slices, starch, cornstarch, some cooking wine,我们腌制鱼片用盐、胡椒粉、姜片，然后淀粉和料酒。So we'll let this sit about 10 minutes. 我们要腌制大概10分钟。Also very important, I have spicy bean paste, fermented black bean, and Sichuan peppercorn and Chinese leek, and ginger slices, of course. 我们的调料还有辣豆瓣酱、豆豉、花椒粒，还有蒜苗，也叫青蒜。After marinating 10 minutes, we are ready to boil the fish. 腌制10分钟以后，我们现在来汆烫我们的鱼片。We're going to boil the fish about 3 minutes. 我们大概汆烫3分钟左右。After about 3 minutes, we're going to take out the fish. 3分钟以后，我们可以将鱼盛出来。Next, we're going to stir fry it. 接下来我们要炒制。Now we're ready to stir fry. 现在我们来炒制回锅鱼。First, we're going to add oil. Since the fish doesn't have fat, so add a little bit more oil. 我们现在加油，稍微多一点，因为鱼不像肉一样有脂肪。Now we add Sichuan peppercorn, spicy bean paste, fermented black bean, ginger slices, and the white part of leek. 我们现在加入豆瓣酱、豆豉、花椒、姜片和蒜头，炒香。So about a minute, we turn up the heat to high. 差不多1分钟以后，然后我们开大火。Now we add the fish. 加入我们的鱼片。 Stir gently， 轻轻的推动混合。So about 2 minutes, we can add leaves. 我们最后加蒜苗。Stir gently， 轻轻的混合。So we're not going to break the fish. After about half a minute, our fish is ready. 大概半分钟以后，我们的鱼出锅了。Very delicious double-cooked fish. It's so good to be served with rice. Hope you guys are going to enjoy it. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you next time. 非常下饭的回锅鱼，希望你能喜欢。如果你喜欢这个视频，请点赞。如果你还没有订阅我的频道，请订阅。谢谢收看，下次再见。